Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make ghost horror effect on CapCut apps. First, open CapCut and create new project. Add the video that you want to edit. Click add. Okay, now we already have the video. Now select the layer and make split. Just like this. And another split in the end. Just like this. And now select the layer on the mid and make a copy. Okay, next make the copy layer to the overlay and adjust the position and duration just like this. Okay, now select the copy layer, bring down the opacity into 25 like this, and now increase the scale and adjust the position. Okay, until your clip look like this. Okay, and next bring it here, add effect, video effects, go to party and choose neon swing and click OK. Now adjust the duration of the effect. Okay, set the position of the effect, and I think it's enough. And select the effect and make a copy. Bring it to the split end and set right here. Okay, now add another effect, video effects, go to basic and add shake. Okay, add or adjust the position and duration just like this. Okay, select the shake effect and make a copy. Bring it to the split end. Okay, now add another effects, video effects, go to retro and choose color glitch 2 over here until your video look like this, and then hit OK. Okay, now adjust the duration and the position of the effect, and then OK. And now for the last, click the mid of the main layer, make the adjustment, just bring down the brightness, increase the contrast, bring down the exposure, and increase the shadow just a little bit. And now bring the temperature to min 15 to make the video more bluish, and then hit OK. Now you can export the video, and now this is the result. And here it is. That's the ghost horror effect on CapCut apps. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.